Hello all, and welcome back to another episode of Lish the Baker. In today's episode, we're going to be making homemade yam and salmon cat treats. Now, if you're not aware, I don't actually have cats. I have 2 dogs, so I borrowed a friend's kitchen and cat for this video to make sure that they were truly tasty and that your cat is going to enjoy them. Overall, they were a huge hit and I highly recommend. Let's go ahead and get into the recipe.
Whoa, sit.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that your kitten enjoys these cat treats. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video.
Excuse you. That is the ingredient basket. Are you wanting to be in the cookies? Is that good? do you think, Wills? I think the salmon is a hit. And the yam.